Are you looking for a quick 10-minute full body workout that's great for beginners? Today you have landed in the right place, my friend. What you're gonna need for this workout is one of these resistance bands and a chair. Please have some water close by also. And what we're gonna do is a quick warm up followed by 45 seconds of work and then 15 seconds of rest. We have about 5 total moves and we're gonna get right into it. So let's start with the warm up. We'll just start with some arm circles here, big or small shapes. Take your time, check in with your breath, your body. We're just starting to warm up the shoulders, the upper body, the chest. If you're new to my channel, I am so glad you decided to press play. I am Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a passionate women's health advocate, and I help folks here online just feel better, stronger, and more confident in their own bodies. Go ahead and reverse those circles if you've not done so already. Warm-ups are so important. This is an important part to just get the body healthy and ready for the meat of this practice. Nice job. 3, 2, and finish out your last one. Great job. Let's do some shoulder shrugs next. So finding some circles with the shoulders. Again, opening the chest, tuning in to any sensations you're feeling. Feeling the feet grounded on the earth. And let's just reverse those circles, other direction, taking your time. Nice job. We'll release that. Give me just some little heel taps. So you're just going to tap the heel forward, tap and tap, getting into the calf muscles, the lower body muscles. I'm so glad you decided to press play and you said yes to your health today. That is huge. A lot of people don't do that, don't have the time, or say they don't have the time to slow down and take good care of themselves. So thank you for being this conduit for positive change, for creating positive change in your life and the lives of those around you. We're here for 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Take the arms up into cactus arms. We're going to pull the elbows back. Inhale, big breath. Exhale, pull the elbows towards one another, maybe drop your chin down. Inhale, open up. And exhale to close. And keep going here. We inhale to breathe open. And exhale, release. And maybe just one more time. Nice job. Shake out the arms. Give me some arm swings, opening things up a little bit. If you are looking to take the next step in your fitness, I did create a 4-week health and fitness tracker. I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to grab that. It's totally free and it's going to help you track your workouts and just build that healthy habits and find that consistency. Here we are, 3, 2, 1. Way to go. All right, we should be nice and warmed up. Let's go ahead and get into our workout. So we're going to start with a sit to stand today. Have your chair close by. Nice job. And then this is working our lower body. So I'm going to show it to you. We're going to put 45 seconds on the clock and then we're going to work it out. So it's similar to a squat with the chair assist. So let me just turn this chair so maybe you can see it a little bit better. And we're going to locate the chair using the calf muscles here. Hi, Charlie. And then ground through the feet, press evenly into the heels. Here we go. We're going to sit down. So bum touches the earth, or touches the chair. Your backside muscles touch the chair. We're going to lower down, lift up. Now I always encourage my students, listen to your inner teacher. If your knees are achy here, if this does not feel okay, it might not be okay for you. So maybe you just don't go as low. You could sit down a little bit and come back up. Or if you want to go for the full thing, we're going to lower down and lift. Great job. We got about 15 more seconds and then we get that 15 seconds of rest. This workout is full body, so core, upper body, lower body. And I encourage you to try this 1 to 2 times a week. Just that 10 minutes of strength training is so important, especially for women as we age. We start to lose muscle mass after 35. Nice job. All done there. Go ahead and shake out the wrist. Some circles with the arms. We're going to breathe here. Maybe reverse your circles. Nice job. And then shake that out, let it go. Our next move We're gonna stand by the chair and then press into the foot closest to the chair. The other hand is gonna kind of flex here, and that's gonna be our target for the knee. So I'm gonna put 45 seconds on the clock. We're gonna lift the knee, lower down. Go ahead and get started here. Lift and lower. So really trying to activate these lower body muscles. Maybe draw the belly button in towards the spine. We're working the hip flexors. The core, believe it or not, is fired up and turned on here. I love to tell my students, you know, go slow here. Activate some deeper muscle when you slow it down. Nice job. You could even play with the balance, floating the hand off the chair. I personally love to have that chair for support. So do what feels best for you. Got 5 more seconds here. For 3, 2. Finish out your last one. Nice job. 15-second cool down. Let's go ahead. I'm just gonna slide my chair over. I'll ask that you stand on the other side of your chair. We're gonna press into the foot closest to the chair, and here we are, let's go for it. So hand is kind of flexed. We're gonna have that target. So your knee is gonna tap the hand. 15 seconds. Not 15, I meant 45 seconds. Keep going. And I don't know about you, we all have different experiences. I encourage you to just notice what you notice. I feel more intensity on the standing leg than I do on the other leg, so the one that's actually in motion. Of course, our bodies are all different, and just notice what it feels like in your body today. 2, and last one. I'll give you that 15 seconds of rest. I'm going to show you the next move. So these next 2 moves, we're going to set up in a crescent lunge. Have your band, and our right leg is going to be our lead leg on this first move. So we're going to step that right leg forward, slide that band under the foot, and then bend your right knee, bend that back knee. So when I bend my back knee, it uprights my spine, and that's where I want to be. Reminder, the neck is an extension of the spine, so keep the spine nice and long. And then hands, you're going to hold the band in either hand, and then we're going to do a bicep curl here. So this is what it looks like. We're going to pull up and lower down. We got 45 seconds. Let's go for it, guys. So set yourself up for success. Feeling strong, a slight bend in the hips, so slightly bent over that standing leg or the right knee. What I love about the stretchy band is you can gauge the resistance you need, right? So you can make it shorter to intensify, or make it a little bit longer if you need a little bit of a break. So make it work for you here. Really proud of you. We are coming up on the end of this workout, and you are doing a great job, truly. So proud you said yes to your health today. Here we are, 3, 2, 1. Let's hold here. So holding the band, and then release. Go ahead and give that leg a little wiggle, a little shake out. And then we're gonna set up for the other side. Left leg is gonna be the lead leg. We're gonna step on that band, step the right foot back. All right, let's go for it, guys. So we're gonna do a fly, a chest fly. So different than the bicep curl, we're gonna pull the arms out and bring them back in. I'm gonna put that 45 seconds on the clock right here, right now. Oh yeah. I'm working out today. You might notice Charlie walking around. We are in my backyard here. It's a gorgeous fall morning. So appreciative to have nature by our sides here. Nice job, guys. Two. And finish out. Last one. We're gonna hold, stretch, squeeze. I know it's a challenge. All right, nice job. Let that go. So proud of you. All right, let's go into a little walk. We're gonna start to cool down a bit here. I know you should be feeling that upper body, lower body, core. And then just give me a little heel tap here. So just loosening things up. Maybe it feels nice to shake out the wrists and the shoulders. Move the body in a joyful way every day. Really encourage folks to do that. So important. Help us gear up for our day, get those happy hormones surging through the body. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. And then standing close to your chair, we're going to press one foot into the floor next to the chair. Let's go ahead and just swing out that other leg. Do your best to keep the pelvis as level as possible. 3, 2, and 1. And then just forward and back. So swinging the leg forward and back. Loosen up that hip. Yeah, so if you are enjoying this video, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. New workouts come out each week and they are geared for beginners and especially for women over 50 that are looking to improve their balance, their total body health, their strength, and their confidence. I really love to have you come along for the journey. Right? If you do like this channel, please leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite part was about this practice. And we're gonna switch over to the other side, hand it to the chair for support, and then we're just gonna open that leg and close. So little swings here. You got this. We're starting to wind down a little bit. All right, if you like this workout, please check out the other link. I'm gonna leave a link up here at the top for a nice full body stretch. So we never wanna skip the cool down, okay? Nice job. 3, 2, 1. And then leg forward and back here. So if you want a longer stretch, definitely check out that video. And don't forget to grab your 4-week health and fitness tracker. It's gonna really help you stay on track of all your goals here. 3, 2, and 1. Nice, so good. We're here with the chair, let's use it. Hands are gonna come to the back of the chair. Step one foot back and then the other foot back. Plant the heels down. And then coming into a modified downward facing dog, we're just gonna shift the hips a little side to side. Give yourself a nice big stretch here. Maybe start to notice your breath again, slowing the breath rate down a little bit, turning back to that state of balance. We call it homeostasis. And then start to look forward if you're ready. And step up, find a tall spine here, plant the feet into the ground, inhale lots of love in, and exhale lots of love out. Sprinkle the hands down, give yourself a big round of applause. I am here to cheer you on. You are backed by a whole world of folks that join us here on this channel, so it's always amazing to hear your progress. Please, if you like this video, share it with a friend. That just helps me spread the word. When you move your body, you feel better, right? Let's move our body joyfully every single day, and I'm here to support you along the way. All right, my friend, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you there. Bye.